Hello friends, today we are having a session with Dr. Kundan Mani. Dr. Kundan Mani, if you're there, please send me a hi. We're doing a question answer session with Dr. Kundan Mani, who is it's more related with the pets and strays. Dr. Kundan, are you there? Okay. Hey, hi. So, okay. Dr. Kundan, you are already on the screen. You'll be coming on the screen. So, yeah, I've just sent you added. Are they like, are you logging in by two accounts? Because I just sent, I'm again adding you.
Okay, hi.
Yeah, hi. Yes. Thank you.
One second, just.
You're able to hear me clearly? I can hear you clearly.
Yeah. Is this my voice was clear?
Yes, your voice is clear. Okay.
Okay.
So good evening, friends. Myself Shubha Lakshmi from I Nature Watch Foundation. We started an initiative called Stray Eye Care almost a month back on the eve of World Animal Welfare Day last month. And since then, we have been doing a series of sessions related to stray animals. That has been our focus since last 1 month because we just realized that we have been working so much about wildlife, a species that is not closely connected to us, but they are far from. But the animals who are very closely connected to us. So therefore, I somebody uh, Diwali festival where it is all it's full of lights and sounds, and how this actually has an impact both on the pets which are indoors and also the stray animals. So we have Dr. Kundan Mane with us over here. He's a senior uh, dog handler at the bomb squad, bomb detection squad with the Maharashtra government. And he is also trained. He did his veterinary science degree, but he has career in this field of when he is handling the dogs for detection of the bombs. Very important job, I must say, and very risky job also. And he founded an initiative called as Dr. Pet Funda, where he keeps advising and guiding people about how to take care of the pets. And that's why we wanted him to address this session today. And so without spending more time, I'll just go to Dr. Kundan Mane. So, Dr. Kundan Mane, thank you for accepting our invite on our session and taking on this topic. It is very much important. Thanks for suggesting this topic. This was your idea that this topic could be dealt. So, my first question to you is that what really made you to come into this field, because it's such an unusual field. So, how you thought of entering into this field? Because I believe you have been working in this field since 2009. So that's a quite
Yeah.
long time to spend. So, some insight of what into this field.
Uh, Good evening, my friends and the viewers of iNature Watch. This is Kundan Mane live from Mumbai. Actually, from 2009, I have been working in this field. Okay. So, the love for the animals was inherited from my parents. I had a dog in my home. Okay. And I was very much curious to know what all the animals do and how the animal world works. So I got an opportunity in 2009 to work in the bomb disposal squad. And in working in the bomb disposal squad, I come across that I can be attached to my pet friends, as there was a vacancy in being a dog handler. So I went in and did all the courses regarding the uh, pets and all, and I was selected. And from then I'll be working for my pets in the police department. So while facing and working with the pets and other animals, I came to know they face many problems. हमको जिस तरह से बीमारियां होती है वैसी ही बीमारियां उनको भी होती हैं, एंड दे आर क्यूरेबल इन द इनिशियल स्टेजेस. तो I got interest and I did my veterinary science. I also had did my veterinary science from IITA Hyderabad. So I got an interest, और so I've been working with many organizations, छोटे मोटे जो NGOs होते हैं in Ghatkopar and many other areas. So basically, Shubha ma'am and we were discussing something regarding what can we do for stray animals or this. So we came up with the idea कि before the festival thing arrives, so we will just put a light on the people who are not aware कि how to take and handle their pets during the festivals. Means in Hindu festivals, there are many festivals like Holi. Holi is also a very big festival, but for stray animals, it's like a curse because बहुत सारे लोग कलर्स का गलत इस्तेमाल करते हैं. And the biggest festival in Hinduism is Diwali. And Diwali में around 80 to 90% pets and stray animals, this is the worst phase of the year for them, because as the hearing capacity of a dog or any other animal is 7 to 15% more than a human. If we can't handle the sounds of an explosive or cracker, just imagine how the pet who have the capacity to hear this 10 times more than a human, okay, so should be going through. So we'll discuss some things in this. We will discuss around कि हम लोग घर में जो पेट रखते हैं उनका कैसे ख्याल रखें, जो स्ट्रे एनिमल्स हैं उनका कैसे ख्याल रखें. आफ्टर दैट कि वी गो थ्रू एक्सीडेंट्स. दिवाली के टाइम में बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, तो हाउ टू हैंडल these types of situations, first aid क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. As the session goes around, we will go into that.
I think,
So
Dr. Vani, you actually raised a very important point, and I think I would like to emphasize that compared to human beings, these animals hear 10 times more, and the intensity is 10 times more. So
yeah,
that must be such a, like, it is almost like a bomb explosion for them. What we would be playing small, firecrackers. I think children should really take a note of this, because they are very fond of burning crackers. Not many children are doing that, but still, I think this is a very relevant point, and we will try to highlight this aspect also. So, Dr. Mani,
okay.
I would like to ask you, as you already mentioned that. So tell us that. Let us address this question to the pet owners who are already having dogs, cats, or some other kind of animals with them whom they are caring for. So, what kind of precautions they should be taking for this upcoming Diwali? I'm sure many pet owners would be already aware, because they have been
The
observing the
pets
animal
with
for so
them.
many. Yeah, but there would be some new pets. Like, I am having now some five cats in my home, and my
Mhm.
cats have not experienced the Diwali yet. So I would like to know that, what care I should be taking to save them from this sound and noise, like noise pollution.
Okay, cats are the beings who are able to take care of themselves. Okay, but the poor dogs and many
Okay.
birds, dogs and birds, they are helpless. Okay,
Hmm.
so cats ऐसे beings हैं कि वो अपना रास्ता खुद बना लेते हैं, कि
Hmm.
they tend to find the ways Okay,
Okay.
so we
ये कुछ ज्यादा करना नहीं है फिर.
ज्यादा करना नहीं पड़ता. For
Okay.
dogs, for dogs, it's a very serious issue because anxiety बढ़ जाती है
Hmm.
dogs में,
Hmm.
और many behavioral changes takes place during this phase. Okay, sometimes what happens कि dog डरा हुआ है क्रैकर्स से, and the owner doesn't try to understand the situation he's running through in the
Hmm.
dog mind, and he
Hmm.
tried to scold him, और
Hmm.
या कुछ उससे ऊंची आवाज में बात करेगा, या उससे ऐसी चीजें करने के लिए इनिशिएट करता है जिससे उसका जो रेगुलर बिहेवियर है उसमें चेंजेस होना चालू होता है. सो
Hmm.
ऑब्वियस है कि व्हेन द क्रैकर्स आर अराउंड एंड द दिवाली इज गोइंग ऑन, they
Hmm.
are in a different level of mental state.
Hmm.
So the first thing the pet owner should do is be with his dog, be
Hmm.
with his pet, ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइम अपने पेट के साथ बिताएं.
Hmm.
Okay. There are some homeopathic medicines and allopathy medicines also for anxiety. Means veterinarians give anxiety shots to मेलोटिन नाम का कोई इंजेक्शंस आते हैं जो पेट्स को दिए जाते हैं टू लोअर द एंजाइटी. वी हैव सीन मेनी केसेस द डॉग हैज बीन एग्रेसिव, बाइट करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ
Okay.
फियर.
Hmm.
ओके, तो ऐसी सारी चीजें आती हैं ये दिवाली सीजन में. सो वी हैव टू बी टुगेदर, ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये होना है. एंड इफ यू नो द टाइमिंग्स, मीन्स मोस्ट प्रोबेबली क्रैकर्स आर ब्लोन अराउंड 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So we have to take them for a walk before everything starts. और
Hmm.
उनसे उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा वी शुड एंगेज इन different things. मतलब just we have to play with them. There are many sounds, counter sounds, which are available on YouTube. So
Hmm.
we can run them on high volume.
Hmm.
घर के खिड़कियां दरवाजे बंद करके, पर्दे बंद करके, we can higher our volume in the music system, and we can play that sound.
When you say alternate sounds, are these different kind of sounds you're saying? So you have something like, is there any word people can look for it?
Uh, just calming sounds, calming tunes
Calming.
आते हैं,
Okay, calming
calming
tunes.
music आती,
Okay.
calming
Okay.
calming music आती
Yes,
है.
yes, yes. आती है. बराबर, बराबर.
हाँ,
Yes.
तो ये we can find it on YouTube, or
Hmm.
we can find it in many other
ठीक
online
है.
sources from that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that is a very good medium to distract their attention. So
Okay.
the basic thing is that we should distract their attention from that crackers and all. Okay. बाद में
जब एक मिनट, सॉरी सॉरी आपको इंटरप्ट कर रही हूँ मैं.
no, no,
लेकिन
it's
अगर
okay.
घर में होते हैं, अगर घर में जब होते हैं, जैसे यू सेड कि वॉक पे ले जाना है तो फायर क्रैकिंग के टाइमिंग से पहले लेके जाओ, लेकिन अगर
हाँ,
घर में रहते हैं तो क्या घर पे भी इम्पैक्ट उतना ही उन पे पड़ता है जितना आउटडोर रहने से पड़ेगा,
I
कि घर
told
में
you
ज्यादा
ना,
प्रोटेक्टेड रहते
means
हैं?
घर में होता क्या है, the sound amplified comes 10 times. Okay, so पटाखा or a higher explosive which is blown outside the house, it may be sounding low for us, but for them it is a very high sound.
ओके ओके ओके
ओके,
ओके.
सो
ठीक.
ठीक है, बाहर जाने से इम्पैक्ट थोड़ा सा कम होगा, बट व्हेन वी आर कीपिंग देम इन द क्लोज थिंग ना, तो जो इंटेंसिटी होगी उसकी थोड़ी सी कम होगी. एंड
ओके.
हाँ, व्हेन वी ट्राई टू डाइवर्ट देयर अटेंशन टू आवर थिंग्स ना, तो एवरीथिंग फॉर देम बिकम्स अ बिट सोबर.
Okay, ठीक है, got it. Yeah. So one, you said that changing the timings of where the
वॉक्स.
activity is there. Secondly, having more, giving more comfort and company to your pet when this is going on, and to play some calming music, so like an alternate. So the 3 points you've already mentioned about it. Yeah, I'm just trying to
एंड
repeat it. Yeah.
डोंट ट्राई टू चेंज देम. ओके,
Hmm.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या होता है कि समझो वी हैव अ बैल्कनी एंड वी हैव चेंज देम इन द बैल्कनी. मोस्ट
Hmm.
ओनर्स, मोस्ट होम पेट ओनर डू दैट, कि वो अपने
Hmm.
घर पेट्स को घर में फ्रीली नहीं छोड़ते. Okay,
Hmm.
so the first idea after a cracker is burned, जो डॉग के दिमाग में आता है कि मुझे यहाँ से भागना है,
Hmm.
राइट?
Hmm. Hmm.
एंड
Hmm.
ड्यू टू द चेन, ड्यू टू उसको चेन किए हुए मतलब चेन किया होता है, इस वजह से वो जगह छोड़ नहीं पाता,
Hmm. Hmm.
एंड दैट गिव्स अ वेरी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन हिज माइंड.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, means we are traumatizing him in a dual way.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
we have to avoid chaining them during
Okay.
this Diwali thing. Okay,
Okay, I think that's a very important point again you have mentioned. Somewhere we'll
yeah,
try to summarize this and put it in the comment section also. So people who
sure,
are, just to reinforce the topic, the suggestions. Yeah.
yeah. So, any other
That's
questions?
okay. So okay, fine. This is something which you had mentioned for the pets. Now, what
Mhm.
about the stray animals? Because I'm sure not so much of attention is given for stray animals as such. No attention is given. And during the festivals, I don't think so. People really bother whether there's a dog around because all the street dogs are usually on the road only. And so, what happens to them? It is rather very difficult time for them. So there is because they are not in our control. So, what you suggest one can do?
Basically, you must have watched during this Diwali seasons, the crowd of the dog disappears
Okay.
unknowingly somewhere. Okay, so they
Okay.
find हाँ वो शहर से कुछ दूर या कहीं बोलते ना कि आइसोलेटेड प्लेस में निकल जाते हैं, बट जो पेट्स यहाँ रुक जाते हैं, दे आइदर गो अंडर द कार, और किसी बिल्डिंग के किसी कोने में छुप जाते हैं, किसी बिल्डिंग के अंदर जो लाइट हाउस होता है या कुछ ये होता है वहां घुस के छुप जाते हैं.
Hmm. Hmm.
हाँ, तो ओनली थिंग वी कैन डू इज दैट कि अगर हमको अगर कोई बंदा दिख रहा है कि जहाँ मतलब ज्यादा पेट्स हैं, तो आई विल वांट टू टेल यू वन इंसिडेंट आफ्टर दिस टॉक कि हम लोग मतलब अगर आपके सामने कोई बंदा या छोटे बच्चे क्रैकर्स उड़ा रहे हैं और आपको
Hmm.
पता है कि यहाँ कोई छोटे बच्चे हैं, तो यू एज अ ह्यूमन यू शुड
Yeah.
टेल देम, हाँ यू शुड टेल
Hmm.
देम. अभी
Hmm.
व्हेन वी गो नियर द पेट्स, मतलब अगर आपको आपके पहचान के पेट्स हैं या पहचान के स्ट्रे एनिमल्स हैं, मीन्स whom you feed daily,
Hmm.
they will take you positively, but अगर कोई unknown stray animal है and you
Hmm.
go closer to him, so he may
Hmm.
attack you or bite you,
Hmm. Hmm.
बिकॉज
Hmm.
पहले वो डरा हुआ है और उसको कुछ अलग इंटेंशन से यू आर अप्रोचिंग या क्या है, वो आपकी तरफ अलग नजर से देख सकता है एंड ही मे गो अगेंस्ट यू. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड अ कोजी प्लेस. समझो हम वी हैव अ सोसाइटी. ओके,
Hmm.
वी हैव अ सोसाइटी एंड मेनी सोसाइटीज हैव सम डेड स्पेसेस.
Hmm.
ओके, मतलब जहाँ साउंड कम आता हो या मतलब बाहरी दुनिया से थोड़ा वो कट ऑफ हो.
Hmm.
एवरी सोसाइटी
Hmm.
हैव दैट स्पेस, सो
Hmm.
वी शुड कीप वाटर और फूड सो दैट वी कैन
Hmm.
अट्रैक्ट दिस स्ट्रेज एनिमल टू दैट थिंग.
Okay.
हाँ, हम
Hmm.
लोग देखो कि अगर हमको ज्यादा साउंड आ रहा है तो वी कैन, हम लोग रुई डाल सकते हैं कान में, बट दे कांट.
Hmm.
सो
They
वी
can't.
हैव टू मेक, हाँ वी हैव टू मेक देम गो इन दैट प्लेसेस.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
ऐसे है.
Hmm.
एंड
Okay.
द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट कि जो मस्ती करने वाले बच्चे होते हैं, दे प्ले विद दिस पेट्स, मतलब एक्सप्लोजिव्स के साथ ये पेट्स के साथ खेलते हैं. कोई उनकी पूंछ में लगा देता है.
Hmm. That's really worst.
Yeah, and
That's very worst.
nowadays in the days of social media,
Hmm.
many look at is a fun thing. Means
Yeah, that's so
किसी
sad
डॉग के,
actually.
हाँ many cases are there which can be seen that. And
Hmm.
car owners कि
Hmm.
छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, they take asylum under the car. तो
Hmm.
नोइंगली अननोइंगली हमको नहीं पता रहता है कि कोई डॉग हमारे कार के नीचे सोया है या बैठा है. वी
Hmm.
इनडायरेक्टली स्टार्ट आवर कार और समझो किसी
Hmm.
पपी के ऊपर से वी कैन गो. और
Hmm.
होता क्या है कि मोस्ट पपीज और मोस्ट स्ट्रे एनिमल्स रन हियर एंड देयर व्हेन द
Hmm.
क्रैकर्स आर देयर. तो एक्सीडेंट
Hmm.
होने के बहुत सारे चांसेस होते हैं
Hmm.
इन दिवाली.
Hmm.
So
So
these are the
drivers should be
things.
more responsible. You're saying that the drivers need to be so more responsible. But I
Yes,
remember
right.
one of like when I was taking my driving lesson from one of my driver, he said the first rule of starting the vehicle is that give a horn. I said, why should we give a horn when the vehicle hasn't started? He said the dogs
Yeah,
or any animal which is under your car will go away. So I think
yeah.
that's a very thoughtful tip he gave, and I'm sure most of people would be doing the same. But yes, I think the animals being run over is another problems which the stray animals are facing, that accidents are happening. Also, if such accidents happen, say maybe related to firecrackers, maybe related to any kind of accidents which happen to the stray animals or to our pet animals. So, what is there any first aid one can try on before they call an animal ambulance? Like PAWS is an NGO which
Yeah.
has animal ambulance, so they can be called. But till that time, what we as an individual can do to make that animal, bit comfortable? Is there something
या
first aid?
या फर्स्ट एड देखो कैसा होता है कि व्हाट फर्स्ट एड वी यूज, मतलब जो ह्यूमंस यूज करते हैं, तो
Hmm.
एवरीबडी मस्ट बी हैविंग कॉटन डेटॉल या कोई
Hmm.
बेटाडिन जैसी क्रीम होती
Betadine.
है,
Yeah.
सोफ्रामाइसिन जैसी क्रीम होती है.
Hmm.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या है कि देखो मेनी एनजीओज एंड मेनी हॉस्पिटल्स आर वर्किंग ड्यूरिंग दिस डेज, बट
Hmm.
ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स उनके ऊपर भी ज्यादा लोड होता है.
Barabar.
समझो.
Yeah.
हाँ. सो व्हेन यू फाइंड एनीथिंग लाइक दिस, मतलब अगर जानवर मतलब फायर क्रैकर से किसी ने जला है, तो ट्राई टू गिव हिम मोर वाटर.
Hmm.
ओके.
Hmm.
बिकॉज
Hmm.
एक्सेसिव स्वेटिंग और एक्सेसिव जो उनका जो सलाइवा निकलता है
Saliva
उससे
निकलता
दे,
है.
तो वो ज्यादा उनका बॉडी टेम्परेचर बढ़ के दे गेट डिहाइड्रेटेड. सो
Hmm.
गिव देम वाटर. ओके.
Hmm.
तो भी होममेड रेमेडीज के लिए अगर कोई वूंड होती है तो हम लोग हल्दी डालते हैं.
Hmm.
ओके. बिकॉज इट कैन बी स्प्रिंकल्ड. अगर
Hmm.
अभी कोई थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस बता, अभी अभी इफ योर
Hmm.
कैट गेट्स डिसऑर्डर यू कैन अप्लाई बेटाडिन एंड ऑल, बट कोई
Yeah.
अगर दूसरा बंदा है वो तो पहले डॉग के पास जाने से डरता है,
Hmm.
क्योंकि मैं
Yeah.
जाके उसको कैसे लगाऊं. ये सब.
बराबर.
सो
बराबर.
हाँ. सो फाइंड अ पर्सन हु इज विलिंग टू डू दिस थिंग, एंड वी
Hmm.
कैन
Hmm.
अप्लाई बेटाडिन. जो वूंड होता है उसको अच्छी तरह से साफ करके,
Hmm.
देयर आर मेनी मेडिकेशंस अवेलेबल
Hmm.
which can't be
Hmm.
named here because
Yeah, I
these
know.
are these are veterinary medications. But
Hmm.
the basic thing we can apply, Hemex करके एक cream आती है,
Hmm.
which is similar to betadine, and betadine is the best option to
Hmm.
apply on that wounds and all,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and
Okay.
keep
Okay.
them dehydrated.
Okay. Yeah, let's hope that let's hope first of all there shouldn't be any accidents happening this Diwali, and both our pets and stray animals are safer. You have any incidents like you had experience, because see you are already you work in a very risk zone where you are actually detecting bombs with help of dogs and something. So do you have any incidents that you would like to share which is relevant to our topic today here?
Yes, sir. We are working in the bomb disposal squad. The dogs we are working with, they have created the habit to go through this type of situations. मतलब वो लोग क्रैकर का साउंड या बॉम्ब का साउंड या शूटिंग का साउंड वो लोग ये करते हैं. So when I was in a training center, I don't want to name that training center or
Hmm.
something. So there was an incident. We were around that training center in Diwali only, and at evening 8 or 8:30, uh, after finishing our work, we were supposed to take our pets for a evening round. Okay. So one of my colleagues' dog, which was a Doberman, he was a very uh, anxious dog. तो किसी ने वहाँ बहुत जोर से फायर क्रैकर्स बजाए.
Hmm.
तो इस डॉबरमैन ने इतनी जोर से वो उसकी गले की चेन तोड़ के ही ट्राई टू रन,
Hmm.
एंड vehicle which was speeding at around 60-70 hit him.
Oh.
He had a broken leg. His leg was broken. एंड हमने फिर उसको दूसरे दिन जाके एडमिट किया गया. ही इज वर्किंग राइट नाउ, बट दैट वाज अ वेरी फियरफुल सिचुएशन कि trained dog bhi means the dog which was going to training of explosives and all daily is devastated by the sound of a cracker, and ये chain reaction होके he ran away and everything was happened there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a live thing happened before us.
Yeah, and such situations can happen, and the way, as you mentioned earlier, the dogs may respond violently and may bite people. और उसके ऐसा होने से तो लोग और उल्टा वो डॉग को मारते हैं. It is
डरते
a
हैं और
tendency
मारते
कि
हैं. Yeah.
एनिमल ने अगर इंसान को कुछ किया तो इंसान का कोई दोष नहीं होता. ये हमेशा एनिमल का होता है. जैसे हमें यहाँ पे लेपर्ड को पकड़ते तो लेपर्ड को ही मारेंगे, टाइगर को ही मारेंगे क्योंकि वो अटैक किया करके. तो ये जो
Right,
माइंडसेट है, it is so really we have to really. तो हमारा जो इनिशिएटिव है स्ट्रे आई केयर इज ऑल अबाउट क्रिएटिंग अ पॉजिटिव इमेज ऑफ स्ट्रे एनिमल्स. दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट टू क्रिएट एंड हैविंग सम कंपैशन. मतलब ज्यादा आपको नहीं करना है उनके लिए, बस थोड़ा. जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि फटाके
थोड़ा
फोड़े, तो
थोड़ा
देखो कि कुत्ते आसपास है तो प्लीज उधर मत फटाके फोड़े. जैसे हम अगर
बस
फटाके फोड़ने जा रहे हैं तो बच्चे तो हम तो अवॉइड करेंगे वो जगह. तो सिमिलरली कुत्तों को भी इंसानों के जैसा सोचा जाए और उनको उस तरह से ट्रीट करेंगे. आई थिंक दैट विल बी वेरी बिग सर्विस
या
वी
वी
कैन
शुड
डू.
हैव अ सिविल सेंस कि मतलब हम लोग अगर दूसरे इंसान को जिस तरह से देखते, जस्ट वी हैव टू चेंज आवर विजन कि हमको भी एनिमल्स को भी उसी विजन से देखना है. द
Yes, yes,
वर्ल्ड विल बी अ वेरी डिफरेंट
yes,
प्लेस आफ्टर दैट.
yes. It will become
And
crowded
I'm
more
very,
because you see
yeah, yeah,
so many
and I'm
animals.
very thankful for you for starting this type of initiative. Means, I welcome you in this pet world. Means
Yeah, it's a
you've been around. Yeah, it's a different world. Means
different
you
world.
were in the living things, plants, but they couldn't react to your initiatives. But now you're in this, so it will definitely go a long way. And we'll
Yeah. Let's
someday
hope.
have a session, yeah, another session ki
Sure.
how to take care of a means a newborn puppy to a old aged animal. Okay.
Yeah. I think yes, that is something next session we can plan, where how to
Yeah,
take
sure,
care
sure, sure.
the medical aspect, the health aspect of animals. I think
Health
yes,
aspect, medical
slowly.
aspect.
Yeah, so we'll be slowly actually adding on more such topics. Our plan is that at least we bring in 2 expert lectures online every month. So this is our first lecture for this month, and I think post Diwali we can plan one more session of yours
Sure,
if you
sure.
have time. So Dr. Mane, as I promised you, it is a half-an-hour session. We just finished our just on time. We finished. Thank you so much for your time. And though we didn't get enough viewership right now, but this being a recorded session, it will be always there on our page. So feel free to share it on your network, and eventually more and more people will start seeing this. And also, stray animals don't really excite people. Had I written something about wildlife, then probably people would have come. The stray animals don't excite people much, but that's natural. So we should be okay
That's
if there
what.
are very few viewers for our session today. Okay. So thank you so much, and happy Diwali in advance to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
And friends,
sure.
thank you so much, whoever has joined us. Thank you for joining us today. So we conclude our session. Thank you so much.